The sky has always been the ultimate vantage point. Now, with the axl Peregrine, it's yours to command. Designed and built in Keralam, India, the axl Peregrine is a high-performance quadcopter engineered for the most demanding aerial missions. Weighing just 3.3 kilograms, including battery and propellers, its carbon fiber and aluminium frame delivers exceptional strength without the bulk. Compact enough to carry into the field, powerful enough to redefine what you see from above. At the heart of the Peregrine is its advanced 4K imaging system, paired with a 6x digital zoom and a 3-axis stabilised gimbal. Whether you're shooting vast landscapes or zeroing in on fine details, every frame is crisp, smooth, and cinematic. And when the light fades, the Peregrine doesn't. Its infrared thermal camera keeps delivering clear, detailed visuals, even in complete darkness. With a flight endurance of up to 45 minutes and an operational maximum travel distance of 30 kilometers, the Peregrine stays in the air long after others come down. A cruising speed of 65 kilometers per hour means it covers ground fast, while the 3-axis stabilized gimbal ensures your footage stays perfectly steady, no matter the conditions. Precision in the air starts with control on the ground. The axl OneView remote controller features a built-in 7-inch HD display, giving you a live video feed, real-time telemetry, and full mission control, all from a single, intuitive interface. From aerial photography, real estate surveys, infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, and search and rescue, the axl Peregrine is built for every mission. Adaptable, reliable, ready. The axl Peregrine. See farther, fly longer, capture everything.